Okay, welcome to my layout. Today we're going to do something a little different. We're going to show you step by step on how to install the NJ International crossing gate signals and their 8000 Servo Master kit. Now, the Servo Master kit works with all scales, HO, N, O, and so on. Today, since I'm in O gauge, I will be installing the O gauge crossing gate signals. Now, these are very well done, very easy to install. You get your Servo Master kit, which consists of the circuit board, your optical sensors, and two of the servos to activate the gates. Now, as we progress through the video, I'll show you placement, how to install them, and how to adjust them for activation. Hello, I am doing a little bit of an update on my layout. As you can see, we're in the process of working on the town. I just finished all the sidewalks and placing my buildings. I'm currently working on the coal tipple area and power plant. And I'm also working to complete my control panel. As you can see, we are in the midst of construction. The hatch is complete. I have some work to do on that. And the waterway area is still under construction. Over here, I added an old Corber grain silo that I found. I haven't used in a long time, so I'm kind of rehabbing that. And I added a runway and some airplanes to my military area, which of course will, as everything, it'll be under construction. But today, I'm using a new product. It is called a random light circuit, and it's made by East Coast Circuits. It's sold through NJ International. You can find it on their website. It's number 301. And what it does is it uses 3-volt LED bulbs. As you can see here, I have 100 of them. And what they do is they turn off on and off lights in the building. Let's say you have a building such as this Woodland Scenics door factory. And if you decide that you want to have the illusion where certain lights are being turned on, like office lights in different parts of the building, you can do up to 6 per board. Now, this board is very simple to use. It uses only a minor voltage. As you can see, it runs off of AC or DC, 9 volts. You must use 3-volt LEDs. They are polarity conscious. I got these from Evans Designs, and they are with extra pigtails. They're black and red. And of course, the instructions tell you it's very simple to hook up. You mount the bulbs, and then a certain time, one will turn off and one will turn on. So right now, I'm going in the process of putting them in just about every building I have, especially the Woodland Scenics multi-story buildings and my MTH buildings. I'm also working on this to put in an interior, and I also have some lighting kits to put in there to get the illusion of electricity being moved. Also, I have lights for the top of my power towers, and they will be put in as well. So as I proceed with the layout, I just figured I'd give you a quick update and hope that you'll look back soon for more. Thank you. Hello, and welcome to my video blog of my layout. As you can see, we're still in the midst of construction. I'm in the process of working on my city. It's not very big, but it does work very well with the buildings I have, and it kind of gives the illusion that it's up a little higher. I do have a road that comes down, which is behind the hatch that I just finished last week. And I'm currently finishing up the coal tipple area and power plant. I just finished building a new control panel due to some restrictions in terms of sight. So this one was easier to build, and it doesn't block any of the view. The waterway area is coming along good. I just added a few little odds and ends here. I also added the Broadway Limited lightning effects, so that looks like a rainstorm, which I'll preview in just a few moments. Over here, I didn't do much over here because I'm still working on the other half of the layout, but I did add a Corber grain elevator that I did find in some old boxes. It was pretty beat up. I'm trying to rehab it now. And I added a runway to our rocket launcher, which was a way to use my airplanes and some tunnel portals. Today, I'm going to be working on a new project, And I got these through NJ International, and they're on their website. They are developed by a company called East Coast Circuits. And what they are is what they call a random light circuit. I don't know if I could show it to you very well. But what the random light circuit does is it turns the lights on in a building at different times. So you could put up to 6 3-volt LEDs, which I have here, and I got these from Evans Designs. And once you put them in the building, you can put them in various locations, and the circuit will turn one on and turn one off at various different times. Now, the advantage of this is if you have like an apartment building, office building, or such, you could, in fact, make the illusion that people are working in and out of the building. And like I said, these come from NJ International. Part number is 8202 for that one. And then I have one which is the random light circuit. And as you can see, I'm still in the midst of working. But the random light circuits I have for each of the buildings I have on my town, especially the multi-story woodland scenic buildings. I also have what's known as a traffic control circuit, which is this one here. And what it will do is it will do a traffic circuit as well. I also have what's known as a circuit that when a train comes across a grade crossing and the grade crossing comes down, the traffic signals will automatically turn themselves red. Now, I don't have the traffic signals yet, but I am currently working with NJ International to get them made. So as I proceed any time further, I will give you more updates, and I'll give you a how-to video on how these circuits get placed in a building. So again, thanks again, and I hope to talk to you soon.